Hey, buddy. You got your toy? Where's your toy? Hello. Hello, little puppy. Hey. Get your tail. Get your tail. Oh, yeah. Get that tail. Hey, hey. Hey, Fielder. Fielder, where's your toy? Is that your toy? Is that your toy? Oh, say hi. Say hi to everybody. Hello, my name is Fieldster, and I'm happy to be the newest member of the family. I have a memory of fleas, but they're clean now. I'm a little tired. I've been hanging out in the crate and playing a lot. I'm learning how to walk on the leash. Oh, what's that? Is there a bug? Oh, there's something moving over there.